So we have 2 pieces of 20 gauge wire. We're just going to hold them together, make sure the ends are cut flush, and just take this one around. So this part is about 1/2 inch. Separate them, and we'll do a little 2mm loop at the end. So take the end and bring it around, and then we're going to put both of these together. Make sure the loops line up, and then we're just going to bend these. Imagine the height of your bass clef and just bend it to the side. Separate them, and then just hold this and rotate it to the back and give it a good little pinch. Use your flat pliers to pinch it in place, and then take your looping pliers or your round pliers again and do a couple of loops at the side, just around and around. So that's your bass clef, and then you want to just flip these around, hold that in place, and just with the tip of your thumb bring it around so that line is just hidden behind there. And then you can get your needle nose or flat pliers, hold these 2 in place, hold it with your thumb a little bit, and take this over to the front, around and back. You could wind it twice if you want, or just once. You can also put a bead there, and then just with the round pliers bend it, bring that one around, and then hold it with the flat pliers, go around 1 or 2 times, flip it, clip it, and if you need to, pinch it in. So now you just put it on your earring hook, and there you have your very simple bass clef earrings that are the same size.